Alright guys, we're looking at little mini dishwasher, cubic dishwasher that it doesn't run the cycle. It will turn on. It will turn on. This is the most of the little dishwashers are there, almost the same. So yeah, once you run a cycle, the machine will fill with the water and will not do anything. It just will stay. It will not do anything. So yeah, all the Bosch and Whirpool and other stuff, most of them, they have the same problem. I'm going to show you how to fix it. And yeah, just bear with me. And before you do anything, power off. Safety first, power off. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to open the machine. There is two options to open it. The old machines, you need to unscrew all its bolts here. Yeah, down here, and that cover will go out. The new ones, the newer models, they're a bit more easy. So I don't have one more hand. Just basically you do like this. And take a little screwdriver to open it. And again, because I have only two hands, I'm going to do it with only one. And yeah, so oh, more or less that's it. And yes, what is inside the machine? We have basically the wash pump and inlet valve. This is the power unit, the PCB board, yeah, the drain pump. So this is the heating element here. This is the heating element. So most of them, they have the same problem. The capacitor is gone. The capacitor. So if you know how to measure it, I have just a basic park side meter, and turn it to position capacitor. And when you measure it, it should show you around 3 microfarads, just like this. Sorry, I have just two hands. So yeah, it should show here 3 microfarads. It doesn't show anything, that one. So basically, I'm going to show you the new one. I'm going to show you the new one. What is going to give me like a reading. .966, which is okay for this one. It's brand new. I'm going to replace it. It's very easy. Just unscrew that. You can help with pliers or something, what you have in hand. And put the new one. In most cases, it's 3 microfarads. You must check before you change it with another one. You can order it online. But just make sure you have the right one. Don't forget to plug the cables. That it doesn't matter which one where is. I mean, you can exchange it even. You can put the red on top and blue on the bottom. That doesn't matter. And yeah, almost ready. So okay. I'll put the back first. Just like this. And that one is just push. That's it. And now we're going to test it. Yeah, we're going to test it. Put it on. I'm going to choose the shortest program, 30 minutes. And we'll turn it on. So the machine always starts with drain. So she's going to drain if it's something in case there is a water. Always they start with the drain cycle. And then going to fill. You can possibly hear it. It's filling with water. And once the machine is full of water, it's going to kick in. It's going to start washing, which is mean everything is done, the job is done. So because of the capacitor, the faulty capacitor, I show 3 microfarads. And yeah, obviously you can hear it. The machine is working now. It's doing what's supposed to do. It's all working. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Always you can get repair tips. And thank you for watching again. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.